The TPMS warning light is one of the most important dashboard indicators in your vehicle. Understanding what it means and when it activates can prevent dangerous situations and costly tire damage. TPMS stands for Tire Pressure Monitoring System. These orange warning lights appear on your dashboard when there's an issue with your tire pressure. The system has been required by law in all passenger vehicles since 2008. The TPMS warning light typically activates when one or more tires drop 25% below the recommended PSI. For example, if your recommended pressure is 32 PSI, the light will turn on when pressure drops to 24 PSI or lower. A flashing TPMS light is different from a solid light. When the light flashes, it indicates a sensor malfunction or system failure rather than just low tire pressure. This requires professional diagnosis and repair. Modern TPMS systems offer advanced features beyond basic warning lights. They integrate with your vehicle's infotainment system to provide real-time pressure and temperature readings. Many newer vehicles even connect to smartphone apps for remote monitoring. Advanced TPMS displays show individual tire pressures for each wheel, making it easy to identify exactly which tire needs attention. This eliminates guesswork and helps maintain optimal tire pressure. Never ignore your TPMS warning light. Addressing tire pressure issues promptly ensures your safety, improves fuel efficiency by 3 to 8%, extends tire life by up to 30%, and prevents costly tire replacements. Your TPMS is a valuable safety system that helps protect you and your investment. Before resetting your TPMS, the first crucial step is ensuring your tires are properly inflated to the manufacturer's recommended pressure. Once your tires are properly inflated, you can reset the TPMS using one of three common methods. The first method uses the manual reset button found in most vehicles. The second method is the drive cycle reset. Simply drive your vehicle for 10 minutes or more at speeds above 30 miles per hour, and the system should automatically reset. The third method uses professional diagnostic equipment. An OBD2 scanner or specialized TPMS tool can reset the system and diagnose any underlying issues. If the TPMS light persists after proper inflation and reset attempts, you likely have a sensor malfunction. The most common issue is battery failure, which typically occurs after 7 to 10 years of use. Another common issue is valve stem damage, which can occur during tire service or from road debris. Physical damage to the sensor itself can also cause malfunctions. When sensor replacement is needed, costs vary significantly. Aftermarket sensors range from $50 to $150, while OEM sensors can cost $150 to $300 per sensor. To prevent TPMS issues, perform monthly pressure checks, schedule annual professional inspections, and ensure TPMS-trained technicians service your tires. Remember, TPMS is a safety net, not a replacement for regular tire maintenance.